Hello students, welcome to BioHub once again. Today we will be learning the chapter digestion. Now it's a very interesting chapter and very super easy chapter. I will make it very more easy for you. Now you tell me that whatever activities we do, whatever human activities we do, we need energy for that. In our daily life we do many activities like you go to school, you go to your tuitions, you study, you play. So for all these things you need a lot and lot of energy. Now from where do we get this energy? Very good. We get this energy from the food we eat. So the food we eat is very important for our life. And not only eating, but the proper utilization of the food is also very important. That is why the digestive system in human is one of the very important function our human body performs. Now first of all, the digestive system has many functions. First of all, the first function is when we eat it. That is, we ingest the food into our body. That is something like you ingest any injection in someone's body, like that thing. We also ingest the food into our body. So we are eating it. The next process is digestion. That is, the food goes inside our stomach. It gets totally digested. And the third process is absorption. Now what the food is digested, the digested food is absorbed by the bloodstream. Fourth process is assimilation. This absorbed food is now used for the growth of your body, repair of the old or worn out tissues, and to provide energy to your body. And the last step is egestion. What is the meaning of egestion? Egestion means to get rid of something. That is, to get rid of the unwanted wastes which are not needed by our body. So those unwanted wastes are totally moved from our body through egestion. Now this total digestive system consists of two parts. The first is the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal has many parts. The first part is mouth, then there is the pharynx, then there is the esophagus, then there is the stomach, then there is the small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum, and then is the anus. And another part is the digestive juices. Now what are the digestive juices? Digestive juices are the secretions of our body that help in the perfect absorption and perfect utilization of the food that we eat. They consist of the liver, the pancreas, and the salivary glands. Now let us discuss the parts of the alimentary canal one by one. The first part is the mouth. The mouth is also known as the buccal cavity. Now can you tell me that which part of the mouth helps us to chew the food? Very good, it's the teeth. For the teeth helps us to chew and tear the food we eat. Now teeth, let us learn something about the teeth. When you are 6 to 7 months of age, the first teeth of your life comes, that is the milk teeth or the temporary teeth or the deciduous teeth. Now they are 20 in number, and by you are 12 or 13 years of age they fall off and the permanent teeth comes. Permanent teeth are 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are for biting and cutting. Canine is for tearing. You will see that the lions and tigers, they have very strong canines. Then is the molar and the premolar. Molar and premolar both are used for crushing and grinding the food. Incisors are 4 in each jaw. Each jaw means there is the upper jaw and the lower jaw. So you have 2 jaw. So 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Then canines, there are 2 in each jaw. Premolars, there are 4 in each jaw, and molars, there are 6 in each jaw. So total there are 32 teeth. Now all the humans don't have perfect 32 teeth, but there are total 32 teeth in human. And the last 2 molars are known as the wisdom teeth.
Start.
Now let's learn about the structure of a tooth. Now the structure of a tooth is like that. There is the upper part which is visible. You will see when you go see yourself in a mirror, the upper part is the crown and the lower part is the root. Now between the crown and the root there is a small middle part that is called the neck. Now the neck is surrounded by gum and the crown is surrounded by enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the whole human body. Beneath the enamel is the dentine. The dentine forms the bulk of the tooth. And beneath the dentine there is the pulp. Now pulp contains a lot of nerves and blood vessels. Next is the tongue. Now the tongue is a thick muscular organ. It has a much of mucous membranes in it. It also has a taste buds. You eat something sweet, you eat something salty, something spicy, you can taste it with the help of the tongue. Now after the tongue there is the pharynx. Now what is the pharynx? Pharynx is a common passage. It's a common passage for both the air and the food. Now the upper part of the pharynx is only for the passage of air. Middle part is both for air and the food, and the lower part is only for the food. Next we come to the esophagus. The esophagus is this long pipe. It's also known as the food pipe. So that esophagus is extended from the pharynx till the stomach. It will carry the food to the stomach from the pharynx and through some muscular contractions and not by the gravitational force. These muscular contractions are the way it moves through it, the way the food moves through the esophagus is known as peristalsis. Then there is the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped muscular bag and it is situated on the left side of the abdomen. So here is the abdomen. So on the left side of the abdomen it is situated. It churns and mixes the food. Now the walls of the stomach have gastric glands. The inner walls, they have gastric glands which secretes the gastric juice that helps in the digestion of the food. Now the stomach opens into the small intestine. The small intestine is very much coiled structure and it is situated in the inner part of the abdomen, and it has three parts. The first part is duodenum, that is the anterior part. Then there is the jejunum, that is the middle part, and then there is the ileum, that is the posterior part. Now the small intestine, the inner wall of the small intestine has many small hair-like, finger-like projections that they are known as villi. Villi helps in the smooth passage of the food. Then next is the large intestine. It has three parts: cecum, colon and rectum. Rectum is projected through the anus.
Start.
Next is the salivary glands. The salivary glands secrete saliva. Now saliva moistens the food, the ingested food. It helps to digest the carbohydrates and also destroys the germs if any germ is there. Now next is the liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. It is located in the right side of the abdomen and it is a very important part of our body because the liver secretes bile. Bile is a greenish yellow juice that helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. Next is pancreas. Pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice consists the starch digesting amylase, the protein digesting trypsin and the fat digesting lipase.
Start.
So this was the explanation of the parts of the alimentary canal and the various digestive glands. So today this video will contain the content up to this. In the next video I will come up with the next part of digestion. Till then, if you have any problem on this video, you can write in the comment section. In the previous videos, if you have any problem, you can write in the comment section. Even you can go in my Instagram, you can directly message. I will share the Instagram link in the description box. Please watch the videos. If any problem, you can tell me. And till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.